All right, I continue working through this regex use case. Today, I completed the top row after the router, which is one way to basically extract the elements we'd like. It what did it do? It used an array aggregator to aggregate the four arrays or five arrays from the text parser. Four of each item out of the four out of the five items in each of the five arrays is empty, so we have to get rid of that. How are we going to do that? We aggregate them all together first. Then we use a set multiple variables module, and we use the map function to first take the five arrays down to a single array. And then we use the, what do we use after that? Map. Remove. We use like a remove function to remove the empties. And then we used a first function to extract the information that was left from an array with one item, I believe, into just its own item. And then we mapped those items. Well, we did that for five variables, for five elements, and then we mapped those variables into the Google Sheet. Now on the bottom, we're not using an array aggregator, we're using a text aggregator, so this is all going to be in a single string. And right now I'm just setting up the text of that array aggregator to basically only include the non-empty elements from each of the five arrays using if. So if basically if the something isn't empty, isn't null, I don't know what it would have been. Yeah, the item from the array from the text parser is not equal to null, then basically outputs or store in the string the element name and then the element itself, the value, and then use a pipe, which is a vertical line to separate each of the five elements. So that's where we're at. Talk to you tomorrow. See you.